The holidays are a time for celebration, hope, and happiness. Or at least they should be. For people who are trying to pay off debt or just trying to get by between paychecks, the holidays can be filled with stress and anxiety. It can be tough on your bank account given travel, food, celebrations, and of course, the most expensive part of the season, gifts. Americans plan to spend an average of about $1,000 during the holiday season, and about 70% of that is spent on gifts. Unfortunately, that's not wise or even possible for everybody. So if money is tight or you're just looking to have a more frugal holiday season this year, I'm gonna give you 8 ways to save money on gifts. But first, if we haven't met yet, I'm Britt, co-founder and CEO of Dow Janes, and there's nothing I love more than a good deal. So stick around for some of my favorite holiday secrets for saving money while having a good time. So 8 tips, here we go. Number 1, set a budget and stick to it. I know nobody likes hearing about budgets, but they're important, so stick with me. This part will be short, I promise. Okay, first, decide how much overall you can spend on gifts this year. What is your budget? Is it $200, $300? Then assign a certain dollar amount to each person. Does Sally get a $20 gift? Does Billy get a $50 gift? It's important to keep track of how much you spend on each person. So I recommend downloading, you can do it in a simple budgeting app like Mint, or even just on a note on your phone. So you'll create a different category for each person. Hypothetically, you want to spend $300 on gifts this year. Maybe you have 2 kids, you're going to spend $100 on each. Maybe you decide to spend $50 on your spouse and $25 on each of your parents. Then each time you buy a toy for one of your kids or a back massager for your mom, keep track of it so you know how much you have left in your budget for each person. Okay, on to the tricks that you really came here for. Number 2, propose a secret Santa gift exchange. If you have a large family, instead of getting a gift for every person, suggest doing a secret Santa or a secret elf. Call it whatever you want. You can use an online random name generator, so elfster.com is one of them. Each person gets assigned to someone else. That way you only have to buy 1 gift instead of 7 for all those cousins. It's a great solution and ends up taking the stress off of everyone. It's what we do in my family and I love it. All right, 3, take advantage of sales and deals. If you're watching on the day this video comes out, Black Friday is in 4 days. We did a full video on how to snag the best deals on Black Friday, which I'll link to below. And if Black Friday and Cyber Monday are already passed, don't worry. Companies run a lot of deals during the holidays, so keep your eyes peeled. And remember, for next year, the sooner you start shopping, the better deals you can get. Okay, 4, go in on group gifts. Have an amazing but expensive idea for dad. Maybe you want to buy the Apple AirPods Pro for mom or a fancy espresso machine for your sister. See if you can get other friends or family to chip in. That way you can all contribute to a great gift without having to bear the full weight of the financial responsibility. Remember, gifts don't need to be low quality, just well planned. Okay, 5, give a meaningful gift. Don't discount sentimental gifts. Maybe your dad would love a desk calendar with pictures of your family. Or maybe you and your partner decide to spend quality time and do an activity together instead of gifts. Again, the sooner you start planning these, the less you'll have to pay for rush shipping or last minute bookings. 6, check out thrift stores. Not only do thrift stores have some amazing finds, I found my absolute favorite Pendleton blanket at a secondhand store for $100 and I use it all the time. But they often run daily deals and their discounts on top of already low prices, so it can be a really easy way to find great products for a super low price. And if you're a thrifter out there, tell me about some of your great finds in the comments below. Bonus points of thrift store shopping during the holidays is that most thrift stores use their profits to serve the community. Goodwill and Salvation Army are obvious examples, but I know there are thrift stores around my area that help survivors of domestic violence or support children's homes. So not only are you saving money and getting great gifts, you're also donating to life-changing programs and causes, so you can feel really good about yourself over the holidays. And if you don't know what to search for, here are a few popular ones that have locations all over the country. Goodwill, Salvation Army, Plato's Closet, Buffalo Exchange, and Savers. But you probably have some smaller thrift stores around you that are worth checking out too. Also, I know this is a lot on thrift stores, but this one's really good. Look for specialized thrift stores. So near us, we have a secondhand store that's just for kids. So kids clothing, toys, strollers, and it's amazing. So see what you have in your area. Happy hunting. To continue the thrift theme. 7, try online thrifting. So magic of the internet, you can thrift without ever leaving your couch. This is helpful if you're looking for something really specific because you can just search for it. So Depop and Poshmark are two really great resale sites. If you're looking for clothes for women and girls, you can try ThreadUp. You can also use Facebook Marketplace to find everything from foosball tables to guitars to antique cameras to bikes. And hey, it's better for the environment if you buy it used. If you're shopping for someone with champagne taste, you can check out The Real Real. They resell designer brand products at a discount. They can be expensive, but you might find a good deal there. Okay, number 8, do a white elephant gift exchange with friends. So instead of getting a gift for everyone in your friend group, suggest doing a white elephant. If you've never done one before, usually the gifts are pretty silly. It could be something quirky you picked up at the thrift store, like a Nicolas Cage face pillow. It could be something you already own and aren't using anymore, like a cookbook, or something you make, like macrame wall art, which is what I ended up taking home at last year's White Elephant. Thank you, Sabina. Anyway, everyone brings one gift, and there are a few different variations, but here's how we play. You tear up sheets of paper and list numbers 1 through 10, or however many gifts are on the table. Everyone draws a number. Whoever has number 1 selects their present first. They open it, they show it to everyone. Then the person who picks number 2 can either steal the gift from number 1 or open a new gift from the table. If they steal it from person 1 gets to then pick a new gift from the table or steal from someone else once more people have opened their gifts. Our rules are that each gift can only be stolen 3 times, and that whoever was person 1 gets a chance to steal at the end since they didn't get to at the start of the game. It's a pretty fun party game and an easy way to do a low-cost gift exchange with friends. I hope these fun ideas help you enjoy a financially stress-free holiday this year. If you want more ways to cut costs and stay within your budget during holiday festivities, I did a video on that last year, which I'll link to below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us know what content you like and really just keeps us going emotionally. All right, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below this video so you don't miss out on our future ones. We have a lot of great content coming out for the new year. All right, thanks so much for watching and happy holidays.